Welcome to the production process of our high-quality plastic sleeve boxes. The sleeve is an important part of the box, and we commonly use honeycomb sheets made from sturdy polypropylene PP material. This material is lightweight, yet provides great strength and durability. For added convenience, we create a small door on the honeycomb board. This allows for easy access to the contents of the sleeve box without removing the entire lid. The pallets and lids can be manufactured using different techniques, such as injection molding, blow molding, or blister forming. After production, our skilled workers complete the finishing touches by manually trimming and treating the edges. We can effortlessly assemble the sleeve, pallet, and lid, creating a sturdy and secure storage container for various goods and products.